Humans are complex beings, embodying both light and dark qualities. This duality isn't just between people, but within each individual. We all possess good, compassionate, and creative traits, alongside bad, cruel, and destructive ones. Recognizing this duality is essential for personal growth. Balancing our light and dark aspects is crucial. Suppressing our darker side can lead to harmful shadow projection, affecting ourselves and others. Inspired by Jung's shadow work, acknowledging our darkness allows us to integrate it, fostering authenticity, empathy, and true strength. Embracing our dual nature promotes self-awareness, healing, and inner peace. It leads to a more nuanced understanding of ourselves and others, enhancing compassion and harmony.